Hi everyone, it's Principal Steve Carlson. I'm hoping everyone is doing the very best they can in our current circumstances. I know those of us here at Sandusky High School and our colleagues at Sandusky Elementary School doing what we can to put some learning opportunities out there for our students, and of course to feed families during this time as well. It's a little bit of a confusing time, and we want to do what we can to make it as normal as possible. And under normal circumstances, next week Sandusky High School would have been doing our Spring Spirit Spectacular. We annually do this the week before our spring break starts. Now, with COVID-19, we can't do things the way we wanted to, but we did come up with an idea for some virtual Spring Spirit Spectacular, and if you'll entertain me, I'll let you know what we have planned. We're going to do 5 dress-up days, but they're going to be done from home. I had met with student council leadership in the days prior to our school closure, and they had told me what dress-up days they wanted to do, and therefore we're going to run with it. So how it's going to work, each day next week, that's Monday, March 23rd through Friday, March 27th, we're going to have a dress-up day theme just as if we were in school. Each day, you're going to want to look for a post on the SHS Facebook page that celebrates that day's theme. Students and their families can post a picture of themselves dressed up in the comments section of that day's post. And we strongly encourage you to get your younger siblings to join in as well. You'll get bonus points if your posts feature you during your schoolwork. However, your post is going to be deleted if you're not practicing social distancing. So I don't want our students meeting up with each other outside of their homes, trying to have fun with this. We need to be mindful of safe and healthy behaviors. So again, let's do this with our families. Let's do it inside of our home. Let's not try to use this as an excuse to get together with our friends. We want people to be safe. We want people to be healthy so we can get back to school as quickly as possible. The theme for Monday, March 23rd is going to be Pajama Day. It seems like a nice, easy one to slide into our Spirit Week with, since so many of us are able to stay home and stay in our pajamas most of the day anyway. Again, so on Monday, March 23rd, you're going to see a post on this Facebook page celebrating Pajama Day, and then those of you who want to have a little fun, post pictures of yourselves in your pajamas in the comments section of that post. So you can plan ahead. Know that Tuesday will be Red, White, and Blue Day. Sometimes at SHS we call that America Day. Wednesday, we're going to do Beach Day. This is certainly not a day at the beach, what we're going through right now, but on Wednesday we're going to dress up in our beach wear and celebrate as if we could be at the beach right now. Thursday, March 26th, favorite team day. Now these are 4 of my very favorite teams right now, and I guess one positive right now is none of them are currently losing, because that seems to be what they've been best at lately. You don't have to pick from these teams. You can wear the apparel of whatever your favorite team might be. And then Friday, before we start our spring break, such as it is, we will celebrate all things SHS with a red and black day. So once again, how it's going to work, each day next week, Monday through Friday, we'll have a dress-up day theme, just as we would if we were in school. Each day, you'll look for a post on this Facebook page that celebrates today's theme. Students and their families, including the younger siblings, are encouraged to post a picture of themselves dressed up in the comments section for that day's post. And bonus points, there's no real points for this, but pretend there are. Bonus points if your posts feature you doing your schoolwork. But understand that if students post anything that isn't practicing and highlighting the social distancing that we need to be practicing right now, we'll be deleting those posts. So just a heads up ahead of time. Just a reminder to you all that those of us here at Sandusky Community Schools are doing what we can to provide you with some level of normalcy. Don't forget that you can email any of your teachers. You can email me. You can email Superintendent Flynn. Encourage you not to call the school. We don't have people here answering the phones, but the email addresses have been put out there. So hopefully you're taking advantage of that if you need to get a hold of us. Stay safe, everybody, and stay healthy, and I hope that we get to see you soon. Goodbye.